In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your employment status on Glassdoor, Profile Info 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save your changes so your profile reflects your current situation. First, open your web browser and head to glassdoor.com. Make sure you're on the official site so everything loads correctly and your changes sync across devices. This process works similarly on desktop and mobile, but I'll demonstrate using a desktop layout for clarity. Next, sign in to your Glassdoor account. You'll find the sign in option at the top right. If you're only browsing for roles, you can always jump straight to the Jobs tab and begin searching. But to update your employment status in your profile, you do need to be logged in. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, look to the top right and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu. From there, go to your profile page. You'll see your profile header and details like your headline, experience, and other information. To make changes, click the pencil icon, which is the universal edit button on Glassdoor. This switches your profile into edit mode so you can update individual fields. Take a second to let the page load fully. Sometimes sections appear as you scroll. Now, find the employment status section. Depending on updates to the interface, it may appear under your basic info or near your professional summary. This field tells Glassdoor whether you're currently employed or not, which can influence how your profile appears to recruiters and how job recommendations are tailored to you. Choose the option that best matches your situation. Employed or not employed. Pick the one that reflects where you are today. If you're between roles, select not employed, so hiring teams and the platform see that you're actively available. If you're working, select employed to keep your profile accurate. After selecting your status, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically at the bottom or top right of the editing panel. Click Save and wait for a confirmation or a brief refresh. If you leave the page without saving, your update won't stick. When the save is complete, give the page a quick refresh and revisit your profile to confirm the employment status shows correctly. If you don't see it right away, scroll through your profile sections or reload the page. That's it. Your Glassdoor profile now accurately reflects your employment status, helping the platform surface better job matches and making your profile more useful to potential employers.